Here is how to fix the issue if queued email is not sending in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the steps that you can apply to fix the queued email not sending error on your Gmail. So let's start. First of all, open Gmail. Now if you have multiple emails queued on your Gmail, it is most likely that the problem is due to unstable internet connection. So first of all, make sure you have a good internet connection. After that, you can see the queued emails by going to send or outbox. Now after going to outbox, what you can do is tap on the send on the right side of each email individually. By doing this, you will be able to send each email one by one. Another thing that you can do is cancel all the emails on the queue and resend the emails. Furthermore, you can also close the Gmail and clear cache in order to provide a fresh start to the app. So by using these methods, you can fix the issue if you have multiple emails queued on your Gmail. However, it is not a problem to worry about. All the emails in your queue will get delivered later as your device gets a stable connection. So in this way, you can fix queued email not sending problem in Gmail. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.